Hi. Hey everyone, I'm doing a video on my Jeffree Star collection. I have every product ever released. I did use the Kira app to get more sparkle because I do have rhinestones on a lot of what I collect because of the fact that it's a really great boredom blaster, and I've done a video on how I rhinestone. So there's the bags, the mirrors in the bags, and then with the bags I have the sandals as well as the brushes from the Morphe collab and all my other makeup brushes. But there's the different shaped mirrors with a large canvas painting that I have to cover that blank spot. The Bloodlust collection, the lip ammos with Brain Freeze, and then the Beautylish set behind it, as well as the 5-year anniversary edition behind the lip liners. I also have the mini lip bundles, of course, and the neutral toned mirrors there. This is like my favorite corner, really. I have that space there for more shelving for the new collections coming out. But then I have Alien, Conspiracy, as well as an untouched version of the gloss because it's one of my favorite clear glosses. I have the Manny MUA bundle as well as the Androgyny palette, some or all of the lip scrubs. There's more behind those. The Elusive Peppermint Frost with the mini bundles, or the mini palettes, as well as all of the liquid frosts with concealers. The Orgy palette was definitely my favorite palette to rhinestone, although the cremated was pretty far up there. And then I have the Vault as well. And down here I have the Platinum Ice and Northern Lights highlighter palettes. All of my lip products, the lip glosses, the ammos, and the liquid lipsticks are chronological, except for the regular releases. I have the Skin Frost, every Skin Frost, as well as every Extreme Frost, as well as every Supreme Frost. I have the lipsticks from the Morphe collection and the lip glosses, as well as the new Velvet Trap lip gloss or lipsticks with the 24 karat highlighter palette. And then I also have the powders down there. You can see at the bottom. I think I zoom in here. Yeah, I have some powders as well as the single eyeshadow and the lip balm. And then I have some limited editions. I have multiple of the limited edition glosses and lipsticks. And I have the black lip balm, the Blood Sugar, Blue Blood, the Morphe collection, Jawbreaker, Beauty Killer palette behind there. The, once again, Elusive Bomb Pop mirror and the Cream Pop mirror. I love those. I started collecting with the Bomb Pop. And then I have the Family collection, the Extreme Frosts, some of the straws, and a pop socket. I'm honestly super in love with my collection. A lot of people don't get it, but I find it very satisfying and gratifying. And then over by the lip liners are the old ones in the back and the new ones in the front. And there's the Thirsty palette. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.